Welcome to Full of Chemistry. This is Mubina Ashkar. Today I am going to discuss about molecules and their point groups. I included 57 important molecules and their point group. So you don't want to worry about the group theory point groups for exam. The point group of lactic acid CH3CHOH COOH is C1. And if the carbon atom has 4 different substituents, its point group is C1. Similarly, whatever the central atom other than carbon, the third example is silicon with 4 different substituents, the same point group which will attain C1. Then COCl2 NOCl CS, hydrogen peroxide trans non-planar C2. If it is trans-planar, it is C2V. Then N2F2 is Ci, and naphthalene has D2H, and water C2V, and C double bond C, 2 chlorine atom in trans position is C2H. So please note lactic acid C1 and COCl2 NOCl CS, hydrogen peroxide if it's non-planar C2V, and naphthalene D2H, water C2V. 11th one is PCl5 D3H. Next one is substituted ethane Ci, ammonia C3V, ClF3 C2V, WOF4 its tungsten molecule C4V, SbF5 C4V, and glyoxal CHO is C2H. Then boric acid H3BO3 C3H, and ethylene skew form D2, and biphenyl skew form D2. So please note PCl5, ClF3, ammonia, and boric acid, and ethylene. 21st one is diborane B2H6, it's D2H, BF3 D3H, anthracene D2H, and PTCl4 2- square planar complex, it's D4H, and allene D2D, and ethane staggered form is D3D, and biphenyl staggered form is D2D, ferrocene is D5D, HX, X may be halogen and other substituent, it's C infinity V. HCN is also C infinity V. Please note diborane, BF3, anthracene, and ethane staggered form, and ferrocene HX. First one is heteronuclear diatomic molecule like CONO, which is C infinity V, and Cn minus N2O is also point group C infinity V, and homonuclear diatomic like N2O2 F2 Cl2 has point groups D infinite H, and C2H2 acetylene D infinite H, benzene is D6H, dibenzene chromium D6H. Next ClO4 minus, SO4 2- is tetrahedral TD, and N2O3 CS, P2O7 4- C2, N2O5 C2V, then 1,2 benzpyrene Ci. Please note hetero and homonuclear diatomic molecule, and benzene, and SO4 2-, N2O5, and acetylene. The first one is H2S, SO2, NO2 have point group C2V, and TeOF4 C2V, 1,2 dichlorobenzene C2V, and trans dichlorobenzene 1,4 dichlorobenzene C2H, and SOCl2 CS, then C double bond C, C2H3Cl CS, and hexahelicene C2, then Cu8 Cl8 4- C2H, then CHBr2 in staggered form is C2H. Please note H2S, SO2, NO2, orthodichlorobenzene, and paradichlorobenzene SOCl2. 50th one is COEN thrice 3 plus D3, and cyclooctatetraene dianion is D8H, IF7 D5H, Cyclopentadienyl anion is D5H, CuCl5 3 minus D3H, phenanthrene D3H, borazine B3N3H6 is D3H, tropylium cation D7H. Please note cyclooctatetraene dianion IF7 C5H5 minus phenanthrene and borazine. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.